Alright, today we're going to be doing the skegs on the Lifetime Manta. We got mine. It's brand new. Went and picked it up. Wife liked it. Ordered another one. We got there and it wasn't new. Couple of the screws was missing in the skegs. One of the clips was missing, and you could tell it had been down creek. No big deal. We're going to beat them up too. So we're going to take and use JB Weld plastic bonder. Yep, right there. And we're going to put the clips in. No, put the JB Weld in the holes. Then put the clips in. Mount the skeg down. I've already got one of them in, and I've got mine done. I wanted to see how it looked and worked on mine before I made the video. And I think it's going to work out pretty good. I'll flip the camera around and show you what hers looks like on the other side. It's not pretty by any means, but I think it's going to hold. I'll hit it with a little spray paint, make it look a little bit better. And I'll show you something else I did too. So you can see that's the JB Weld. It dries not clear like it says. But I put a screw right above the axle for the dowel pin, axle, whatever you want to call it, for the wheel. Because I didn't like how easy they was to pop out. So by putting that screw there, it won't let that wheel come out unless you remove that screw. And then I put some around the corners here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the JB Weld into here. And then these snap into here like that. So hopefully it'll keep everything from coming out. Another thing I did is I take these washers off. This is a metal roofing screw, and I took these, just they unscrew right off there, and I'm gonna put them onto this. It'll look like that right there. That way it's gonna be more meat for that screw to not pull through. Just a little peace of mind there. So I'm gonna mix this JB Weld up, put it in the holes, and show you what I got. Alright, that's what it looks like after I put them in there. That's before. I just make sure it's all along the sides good. And you literally just take it. Yeah. And they just snap in there, and then I smooth this out. Probably don't need to do that, but you know, I do it. Oh, this way. So these kayaks, we're going fishing next weekend in West Virginia at the New River. So we'll see how that works out too. It'll be our first time ever doing anything like that, so it could get interesting. I'm gonna put a little bit more in that one to make them look like that. I'll be right back. Alright, so they're all in there. They're JB welded down. This is what we're using. Oh, I did screw up. It says dry tan. I thought I got the clear. So make sure you get the clear. And I've got this screw here already set up the way I want to do it. I'll try to show you. So see how that's got like just a little bit of a rim there. If you put this in there, that fits in there perfect. And you can push that down and it fits nice and tight. And you just got a lot more of a hold on it. And we'll go through here and do the rest of these too. Oh, there it is. This one here was what made me think to do it, because it's kind of wobber jawed. So that metal will help that out a lot. That one there ain't too awful bad if it'll focus. But it's almost the same as this one. So let me try to show this. You can see that washer fits about perfect. I mean, it is nice. And we'll do that for the other 4. We'll be set, and then I will show you what I've been doing along here. Alright, so I got it all filled in, all the cracks. I had some left over and I put it on top here. Thought maybe it might help it from getting scratched up. I don't know. We'll see. So that's my take on getting that thing to stay on there and not pop off and not cause problems. We shall see. Also, I want to say that Lifetime was really helpful. I called them up, told them what I had going on. They asked a few simple questions, and I got my parts in about 4 days. So props to them. I usually hate dealing with customer service, but it's pretty painful, or painless, not painful. Pretty painless. I was able to do it. Usually I have the wife do that type of stuff, but I took it upon myself to do it. And it worked out good. So, yeah, once again, she's on there. I'm going to let it dry. And we'll flip it over and start doing the other stuff that I want to get done to it. Y'all follow along.